Hello students, we continue with the third type of the salt which was made up of weak acid and weak base. Under this we are having three cases. We have already done the first case for which Ka was more than Kb. Now the second case is the salt of weak acid and weak base for which Kb is more than Ka, means base is stronger than the weak acid. Both acid and bases are weak, but the strength of the base is more than that of the acid. Example of such a salt is ammonium cyanide, NH4CN. It is made up of weak acid HCN and weak base NH4OH. The weak acid hydrogen cyanide is having its acid dissociation constant value as 4 into 10 raised to minus 10, and the weak base ammonium hydroxide is having its value as Kb 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. It's very clear that Kb is more than Ka. Okay, now when this ammonium cyanide, this salt is dissolved in water, what equilibrium reaction we will have? Let us see. When ammonium cyanide salt is dissolved in water, how we will write the equilibrium reaction? Cation as well as anion of the salt will get hydrolyzed in water to form NH4OH and HCN. We know this will go to OH from water and you will get this as a weak base, and this will be formed as weak acid by combination of this cyanide anion of the salt with H plus of the water. Right, now the base ammonium hydroxide is stronger than HCN. We know its Kb value is more than the Ka value of hydrogen cyanide. So the base ammonium hydroxide being stronger than water, let us see now how the ions of the salt will react. Ions of the salt, if I write individual reaction of this salt with water, the equilibrium reaction can be shown in this way. NH4OH will be formed and hydronium ion is formed. Let us say this is equation 1. The reaction is not balanced. We are having 2 oxygen here. So simply we will write here 2. Now 4 hydrogen from water we have, and 4 are here. Total 8 hydrogen on LHS. Here also we have 8. 4 plus 1 5 and 5 plus 3 8. The second anion, the second ion of the salt is anion cyanide. It will react with water to form what? HCN and OH minus. Okay, let us say this is second equilibrium reaction. Now because this base ammonium hydroxide is stronger than this acid, it will react with this hydronium ion and the equilibrium will shift towards left hand side, meaning the amount of H3O plus will be reduced. So we can say that equation 2 produces more OH minus as compared to the hydronium ion which is produced in equation 1. राइट, ये इक्वेशन में NH4OH स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस है, दैट्स वाई वो फिर से हाइड्रोनियम आयन के साथ रिएक्ट करके बैक जाएगा. सो अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रोनियम विल बी लेस एज कंपेयर टू OH minus. So the solution is going to be basic in nature, which turns your litmus paper how? From red to blue. Okay, so this was the salt of weak acid and weak base for which the basic strength was more than the acidic strength. You first need to remember the proper example, that is ammonium cyanide. Then next type of such salt is the last type of weak acid and weak base for which the acidic and basic strength are equal. Example of such a salt is called ammonium acetate. This is an example which consists of acid and a base and both of them are equal in their strength. Okay, this is made up of acetic acid and the weak base in this is ammonium hydroxide. Ka value is equal to Kb value. Ka value इसका है और Kb value इस बेस का है और दोनों का वैल्यू सेम है इधर 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Now as usual we go, when this salt is dissolved in water, how it will react? The ions will react. That is what is hydrolysis. Ions of the salt react with water, right? They will react to give you what? Acetic acid and ammonium hydroxide, and their strength as acid and its strength as base is equal, as already said. Now ions of the salt will react individually. How? Acetate ion will react with water to produce acetic acid, and OH minus from water will be left as it is. Let's say this is equation 1. Then second ion of the salt is what? Ammonium. How this is going to react with water? It will react with water to produce NH4OH, the weak base, and hydronium ion. Let's say this is equation 2. The reaction I think is not balanced. Oxygen we are having 2 on RHS, so we will simply write here 2. Now the reaction you will find it is balanced. Hydrogen 4 plus 4 8 and here 5 plus 3 8. Now because Ka is equal to Kb in this case, the amount of OH minus which is produced in equation 1 is equal to amount of hydronium which is produced in equation 2, and hence the solution will be neutral in nature with pH is equal to 7. Okay, so this was the third type of the salt, weak acid, weak base, for which acidic and basic strength are equal. Now one more small concept we will see today. What you mean by buffer solution? What we mean by buffer solution? This is altogether a new topic we are starting with. It is a solution which will resist the changes in pH when small amount of strong acid or strong base is added to it. Suppose we have a particular solution. अगर हमारे पास कोई solution है, अगर उसमें कोई एसिडिक इम्प्योरिटी आ जाता है तो उसका pH क्या होगा? डिक्रीज. बट इफ दिस सॉल्यूशन इज ऑलरेडी कंटेनिंग बफर इन इट, देन दिस pH won't change. That is the meaning of buffer solution, which will avoid the changes in pH when small amount of acid is added from the environment. अगर एसिड ऐड होता है या बेस ऐड हो जाता है या वाटर ड्रॉपलेट भी ऐड हो जाता है तो सोल्यूशन का पीएच चेंज होता है एंड इट मे गेट स्पॉइल. बट इफ द सोल्यूशन इज ऑलरेडी कंटेनिंग बफर इन इट, देन इट्स पीएच वोंट change. That is the meaning of buffer solution. In our next class, we will be seeing what are the two types of buffer solution. Till then, bye-bye. See you in the next video.